NAR's 2025 tech survey shares the facts. Agents are finally embracing AI in their business. And the real question now becomes, is it actually helping? Well, 20% are using AI each and every day, but nearly half at 46% say that AI has no noticeable impact on their business. Now, I've spent the last several months discussing AI and real estate tech across national webinars, Q&A sections, real estate events, and technology sector stages. And what I've found is folks are still copy pasting their way through ChatGPT, moving things manually across their business. They're not seeing the impact because their process removes the most powerful thing that AI can actually do for them: save time. So, how are the other 54% using AI to impact their business? Well, they're connecting their business to one place. So the AI can be used to understand how they work, and then it can actually help them with that work without all the tab switching. And that's exactly what we're going to be sharing all about at this free event. So click the link down below and register before the deadline to learn all about how AI tools for real estate connect your business systems into one place, saving you time, improving follow-up, and finally eliminating the cut, copy, paste that is plaguing so many. Join us for this free training, and when you show up and do the work, you'll have everything you need to apply one AI system across your entire business, finally freeing you up for the things that matter most. And it all starts with you clicking the link down below and getting registered for our free AI training event. I'll see you there.